Like the name suggests, lockdown ladder stands can be locked down tight to the tree before the installer ever leaves the ground. Using the ground level ratchets, the platform of the tree stand is strapped tight to the tree before the installer even climbs the ladder. Once the ladder stand is leaned up against the tree, the installer clips the two straps together on the back side of the tree using the provided carabiner. The next step is to pull the ends of the strap through the guides and down the back side of the ladder. This will draw the carabiner up the back side of the tree until it comes to rest directly behind the platform. The last step is to thread each ground level ratchet that is mounted directly to the ladder and ratchet them tight. Now that the two straps are attached, they form one continuous strap that runs from one side of the ladder through the guides on the underside of the platform, around the tree, and down the ladder on the other side of the ladder stand. The platform is now secured tight to the tree, and it is safe to climb so the installer can complete the installation. The question we are often asked is, what if there are branches on the tree? To work around branches, the installer just needs to make sure both straps come down the same path between the branches. The telescoping stabilizer bar is designed to help. Once the carabiner is clipped to the strap, use the stabilizer bar to work the strap over any obstacles. Finally, with both straps following the same path through the branches, clip the straps together and continue with the installation.